Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to find wallet address on TokenPocket in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening TokenPocket on your device. Make sure you are logged in to your account. If you're not sure how to log in, make sure to check that video out on our channel. Moving on, at the home page you can see all of your assets under Assets tab. Tap on any cryptocurrency. Here, tap on Receive at the bottom. This is your wallet address for BTC only. At the bottom is the link that you can copy and share it with others to receive funds, and the QR for scanning as well. Each crypto has their own address, so you need to follow the same steps to get wallet address of another cryptocurrency. Just like so. And that is how to find wallet address on TokenPocket. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.